you're going to see the service now warning light. There is the service now warning light. So what you need to do to reset the service now warning light is to press on the 00 mark. When the car is off, turn on the key, then reset it. Then after that, press on the minute. So the car is off right now. So what you're going to do, you hold on this, then turn on the key. The thing is, I'm holding the phone on the other side. So what I've done right now is just to improvise and make sure that you can see everything. So what you need to do to make sure that you reset the service light, turn off the car. When the car is off, you can see my finger right here. Hold on to this part, turn on the car, hold on for a few seconds. After holding on for a few seconds, you'll need to let it go, then hold on to this part right here for a few minutes or a few seconds, then leave it like that. Then you're done. So let's just see what the dash says. So okay, it worked because now the dash is no longer saying service now. So let's just turn off the car and see if it still gives us the service now warning light. Okay, here's the car, hood open. Now we're looking for the service now warning light. The service now warning light is gone. So that's how you reset the service now warning light on a VW Jetta 5. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, we out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you